Hey, welcome to another episode of Geek Money Life. So let's talk about budgeting, because I think a lot of people out there, they want to have a budget so that they don't overspend and that they can keep more of the money they work hard for in their pockets, or maybe they want a debt-free life. And so if you spend any time on YouTube or on the internet, you've probably seen countless ways to approach this problem, whether it's through using budgeting or financing apps, using spreadsheets, sticky notes, cutting up credit cards, or stuffing money in a jar. There's limitless ways to create a budget. And even though this does work for some people, from my own personal experience, I can find that this can be very overwhelming and complex. And more often than not, you're spending more time and energy trying to keep track of these budgeting methods. And because of that, you end up not sticking to your budget and not focusing your time and energy on other things like maximizing your income. And so what is a method that actually works? Well, at least for me, I like to use the very easy budgeting method using the KISS principle. So if you're not familiar with what this means, the KISS principle is keep it simple, stupid. So this applies to many things, and we can apply it to budgeting as well. So here is my easy KISS budgeting method. So all you have to do is see how much you're spending per month. So the easiest way to do that is to go to your bank account and also any other type of expenses you have every single month, like your credit cards and so forth. But typically, if you go to your bank account and your credit cards, then you'll see how much you're spending every single month. And then you want to look at a 6-month period. So why look at the 6-month period? Well, for one, it is a long enough period. And secondly, it is very recent. And so this way, you'll know that this average is going to be more accurate to what you're truly spending every single month. So let's say, for example, you come out to like $3,200 a month. So in that case, I would actually set my monthly budget to $3,500. So that way, you'll cover your normal averages of $3,200, plus you have a little bit extra if in case you overspend. And that's it. So by doing this way, you pretty much cover like 95 to 99% of your monthly expenses. And if you go over, you don't really have to worry about that because you already have it covered. And because you're not spending all your time on these little details of trying to keep track of every single penny, that means you could spend more time and energy focusing on trying to earn more income and being debt-free. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my money or debt-free videos, I do have playlists for that. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Set up your business easily and legally with incredibly affordable rates at Incfile. Join more than 500,000 businesses and launch your business today. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.